Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where small changes lead to massive financial wins. Want one simple rule that could completely transform your savings game? In this video, we'll reveal the one money-saving principle that top savers and wealth builders swear by. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful tips that can change your financial future for good. 1. The Golden Rule. Pay yourself first. The one rule that can completely reshape your financial life is simple but powerful. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, buy groceries, or spend on anything else, save a portion of your income. This ensures you prioritize building wealth over just surviving. Most people save what's left over, but by flipping the script, you guarantee consistent savings. 2. Why it works. Automates discipline. Paying yourself first works because it removes the need for willpower. Set up an automatic transfer to savings or investments right after payday. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Over time, you'll adjust your lifestyle to the money that's left. This automation creates discipline without constant effort. 3. Even small amounts add up fast. Don't think you need to save huge chunks to see results. Even saving 10% of a small paycheck adds up over time. Start with $50, then move to $100, then higher as your income grows. It's the habit that matters more than the amount. Over 5 to 10 years, small savings turn into large investment portfolios. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. 4. You build a financial safety net. When you consistently pay yourself first, you build an emergency fund without stress. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical bills, or car repairs can derail you. But a solid savings cushion gives you peace of mind. It protects you from going into debt. It also gives you the power to say no to toxic jobs or bad situations. That freedom is priceless, and it starts by paying yourself first every single month. 5. It forces you to budget smarter. When savings come out first, you're left with a clear picture of how much you actually have to spend. This forces smarter budgeting. You'll be more intentional with your money. You'll cut back on wasteful expenses and find creative ways to stretch your dollar. It creates a healthier relationship with money, one based on awareness, not avoidance. 6. It builds the foundation for investing. Paying yourself first doesn't just mean saving, it means investing too. Once you build savings, direct some toward investments that grow your wealth. Stocks, index funds, real estate, or retirement accounts can all benefit. This rule creates consistent capital to invest, which is the only real way to build wealth over time. You can't invest what you don't have, so build your base first. This is how average savers become financially free. 7. It shifts your identity to a wealth builder. This habit isn't just practical, it's psychological. When you consistently pay yourself first, you start to see yourself as a saver, investor, and wealth builder. That identity shift changes your behavior. You're no longer someone who tries to save you or someone who builds wealth. Your goals shift from short-term splurges to long-term success. 8. It creates options and freedom. When you always have money set aside, you open doors. Want to leave your job? Start a business? Travel the world? Help a loved one in need? All of that requires financial flexibility, and paying yourself first gives it to you. Freedom is expensive, and this rule is how you buy it. You don't need to be rich, you need to be prepared. Every dollar you save gives you more options in life. 9. It's the strategy of the wealthy. This isn't just theory, it's a strategy used by the world's wealthiest people. From Warren Buffett to everyday millionaires, the habit of paying yourself first is universal. They don't wait to feel ready or earn more. They start with what they have, then build on it. What separates the rich from everyone else is consistency, not luck. And that consistency starts with making yourself the first priority on payday. 10. Start today, not tomorrow. The best time to start paying yourself first was yesterday. The next best time is now. Don't wait for the perfect income or the right moment. Set up a 10 to 20% automatic transfer today, even if it's small. Then build the rest of your budget around what's left. In 6 months, you'll thank yourself. In 5 years, you won't believe how far you've come. Sometimes, one rule is all it takes to turn your finances around. Will you start applying it today? Tell us in the comments. And if this video sparked a mindset shift or gave you a clear direction, make sure to like and subscribe for more actionable tips to save more, spend smarter, and build long-term wealth. Your financial breakthrough starts now.